lot bigger than I expected. I think they said when she's standing up, she's 3 feet tall. Viewer discretion. If you do not want to look at Annabelle, I'm about to flip the camera to show you what she looks like for the first time.
Gede banget sih.
Is there anybody here in the museum with us?
200,000.
What? 200,000? Are you trying to scare us?
200.000.
I don't. These are people are there in this room.
About 5.
5. Kedip bro.
We've flown all the way here to do. Trying to lift the curse that's lasted for us. Year and a half. You me?
Dear Robert.
Halo, kembali lagi di Omyo GT. Jadi sekarang kita coba ngelanjutin yang kemarin yang tertunda karena gue nggak mampu ya. Ini udah lama sih gue nggak posting, sorry guys. Gue lagi ada kesibukan dan gue ada di channel gue yang Rifatul Ozon itu lagi main Mobile Legends. Jadi sekarang kita coba lagi untuk di seperti biasa Sam and Colby. Kita lanjutin di menit 24 yang tentang boneka Annabelle. Yang kita berhenti di boneka Colby. Nah, ini serah kalian sekali lagi. Gua disclaimer dulu. Ini hanya untuk entertainment aja. Jadi kalau misalnya kalian percaya ya silakan. Kalau misalnya enggak, ya udah, nggak masalah juga. Jadi karena itu terlalu kuat, jadi gua bisa apa nyebutnya ya, agak masuk pusing gitu lah karena demonik istilahnya apa iblis ya yang itu ya yang Colby itu dan dia belum mengikuti saya. Ya udah kita buat perjanjian dan ya ada sesuatu baru yang dalam kehidupan gue yang membuat kayaknya ini bakal berubah deh. Nah kayak gitu ada sesuatu janji dan lain-lain lah, dan kita dapat jalan temunya. Oke, sekarang kita lanjut ke video, kita react, kita cek baby check 1 2 3. Apakah ada yang baru atau gimana? Yang pastinya untuk sekarang insyaallah saya lebih kuat. Oke, let's go. Oke, kita lanjut guys.
Wait, that was not you.
No, I did not do that, dude. Right as we were about to start. Oh my god, we were just talking the entire time. And then right as...
Jadi guys ya, ini tetap creepy dan menyeramkan ya guys ya, boneka-bonekanya. Ini volume gue agak tinggiin dulu. Wah ini, aduh, boneka-bonekanya creepy banget. Tapi sekarang mana? Gue pakai subtitle aja lah, bahasa Inggris.
Perfectly on time. That's so creepy.
Somebody is here.
Peggy might be here.
Or whatever's controlling her. As a reminder as well, the Running Hand Chat is us.
Jadi guys, kita ada waktu kisaran 1 jam. Oh, panjang sih. Gas, lanjut.
Actually moving it, we are subconsciously just going with the flow. So, yeah, what was that?
Oh my god!
Jadi ada yang menyenggol kamera guys, dan ya dia pakai alat, pokoknya alat-alat luar negeri tuh yang kayak bisa berinteraksi gitu lah. Kayak ada bell, terus ada ini yang untuk kata-kata dan lain-lain nih. Ini yang bakalan dimaininnya.
And then behind you, it's going off. What the fuck? Where's your phone?
Right here, I'm gonna put it away.
Yeah, put that over there.
I have chills everywhere.
This just got so much more real. Hey,
Udah merinding katanya guys.
we need to again come with respect. I don't really know who you are, but our main questions: can you describe what type of entity you are? Are you Peggy, the little girl that everyone says you might be?
What is that? Oh my god!
Waduh, getar bro. Waduh. Ya si Colby malah ketawa sih.
The camera just fucking moved. What the hell? Oh my god!
Aren't you really scared, dude?
I don't even know what to say.
Peggy, please?
By the way guys, ini benar-benar kayak hantu Indonesia ya gini nih.
Understand that we are doing this to share your story. Do not give us any bad luck. We are just trying to help show the world exactly who you are.
Oh my god, dude, I'm like sweating now.
This is so scary. Dude. Footsteps?
Deep footsteps right outside. Peggy, you've
Oh,
obviously
jadi ada kayak apa orang jalan gitu, suara orang jalan katanya.
shown yourself already. You are here with us. Show us with this writing planchette what type of entity you truly are.
Peggy, what are your intentions?
My god. What the fuck's happening?
Peggy, can you...
Gila, parah bener sih, tapi ya gue gak heran sih, memang yang si Peggy itu memang squad itu bro, dan saya sampai geleng kepala kalau misalnya dia itu kayak misalnya ngasih janji atau misalnya kayak lu mau nggak itu sih, biasalah iblis bro.
draw out a symbol or something that will tell us who you are.
Oh my god.
It's going in threes. It's doing threes. Oh.
Looks like a door slam.
Oh.
There's only one person in this state.
Oh, ada kayak apa pintunya kayak apa? Lu tau nggak sih yang kayak tarang kayak gitulah pokoknya. Susah gue nyebutnya.
Stationary and secure room.
Berisik banget ya.
Peggy.
Peggy?
Sebenarnya tujuan mereka tuh cuma minta maaf sih guys. Sebenarnya mereka berdua ini niat baik sih, cuma ya saking kuatnya.
The scariest investigation we've ever done.
100%. It's just like going off non-stop now ever since we started writing planchette.
Hey, we're just trying to get your story out here. Forces. I don't know. Did you hear that?
I didn't hear that. Is it done? Guys, this is what it drew out. Throw a picture on the screen. It'll be like Thor or
Tahu tuh gambar udah ada ngegambar kan, cuma nggak tahu itu masih kayak abstrak gitu gambarnya.
like T. That's like where I'm saying.
I don't know what that is.
So we're trying one more time. Once again, if you can draw something or write something out for us, Peggy, tell us who you are. What type of entity are you?
Help us move this planchette to draw a symbol, a picture to show who you are and what your intention is. Peggy, are you sure that's exactly your intention?
Please. Whoa.
What is that? It almost looks like the same as this, except just like bubble letters. What is that?
Something.
Guys, let us know in the comments what you think
salib
on screen right
Itu kayak sebenarnya harusnya jadi salib itu harusnya ya.
now. That could be a cross to me.
It's weird that both of them were kind of like the same symbol.
Do you think if it is a cross, that could mean like it's a holy thing?
Maybe. Oh my god.
She's wearing a cross.
A lot of people
Sumpah itu berisik banget sih. Kalau gue di situ, kalau ada teman ya, paling teman gue yang udah lari sih.
say they get the feeling that Peggy doesn't like her cross. We got a lot of things in the obelisk walking up here about like unholiness. Something has to do with the cross, so I don't know if it's a good thing. But there is one way to find out.
Zach Bagans himself actually gave us permission to take her out for exhibit and hold her. Maybe this experience will allow us to feel the true energy that Peggy has that nobody else has felt before.
Ladies and gentlemen, fans of Sam and Colby, I hereby give this opportunity to Sam and Colby to officially open the case of Peggy the doll and hold her. After that, it's all on you.
Waduh, mantap guys. Jadi dikasih spesial gitu dari owner tempatnya. Dibolehin buka case-nya dan ngambil atau pegang si Peggy. Nggak takut, sial. Tapi serah mereka sih.
Just gotta take her out of the exhibit. Are we ready?
By the way, kalau yang udah nonton episode sebelumnya, jadi kalau misalnya cuma natap mata aja itu bakalan sial gitu kalau nggak salah ya. Gue nggak sial sih, nggak sial sih. I'm strong man, I'm human being.
Oh.
Gue gue malah yang ngeliat yang ini, bro.
God.
Soalnya bener-bener anti Indo.
It's hard to breathe already.
Peggy, again, we don't mean to disrespect you at all. We come here just to hear your story. That's all we want to do. I'm going to reach in here, I'm going to grab you, but I'm asking you to not attach yourself to me at all. Do not give me any health problems. Do not give me any bad luck.
Seriously, I remember what Zach said.
By the way, katanya, bak, nggak dulu sih, pasti gue kasih sih. Katanya ya, nggak tahu benar enggaknya.
This is serious. It's one thing to investigate around Peggy. It's another thing to look her in the eye, but nobody actually holds Peggy the doll.
Okay. Here we go.
Let's try to make this quick.
Oh.
Kedip, bro.
Right, oh fuck. That scared me.
And then
Oh, emang otomatis itu sih. Kalau boneka itu kan memang kayak gitu matanya.
back up. Whoa, we feel.
This is almost like a surreal moment.
She's finally out of the exhibit. This is a historical moment for sure.
I feel strangely calm. She's a lot lighter than expected. I'm getting like a weird
Lebih ringan katanya. Ya, dia boneka.
feeling that she was just misunderstood. Like she was misunderstood in life and in the afterlife.
We'll never find out though.
Gonna make Sam hold Peggy's hand. I'm gonna hold her just like this, so it's creating a circuit.
Touch Peggy, like on her arm, and touch the spirit box.
Like a conduit.
Yeah, I'm giving you like directions to like get the most easiest attachment. I feel bad, but hey, you guys are here for a reason, right?
Oke. Estes method. Spirit box session using sensory development so that answers are 100% clear and authentic. Oke. Pokoknya dia pakai sensor, terus dia bakalan jawab lebih jelas dan lebih asli.
Alright, well we just communicate
Karena sambil megang, terus sambil itu alat gue nggak paham sih ini alat gimana. Kita tonton aja lah.
with you, Peggy, with the writing planchette. Was that you?
Oh, yang kayak ngomong gitu, ngomong langsung masuk ke telinga gitu. Kemarin di konten sebelumnya itu lumayan apa kayak harusnya dia itu nggak dengar suara siapapun gitu, tapi dia bisa kayak ngejawab kayak pertanyaan orang luar gitu. Padahal sebenarnya yang ini nggak dengar apapun gitu.
He's back around the world.
Around the world.
He's back around the world. Dia kembali dari dunia.
Who's back? Is there somebody else in this room?
People.
How many
People. Wow, banyak artinya.
entities or people are there in this room?
About 5.
What were you trying to draw us using the writing planchette? Do all these 5 spirits here possess Peggy? Are you all using Peggy as a vessel? Why do you use Peggy as a vessel?
Target.
Target other people. How many spirits use Peggy as a vessel?
Me.
Me.
Satu itu aja, satu entitas saja yang menggunakan boneka si Peggy ini katanya. Tapi di situ ada 5 katanya. Ya 5 sebenarnya di boneka itu sih sebenarnya.
Just one.
Boneka yang lainnya gitu.
I lead.
What are your intentions?
Nah kan dia yang itu, dia yang kayak mimpin gitu. Kalau gue namanya Anubis. Beda sih kalau gue ya.
Why do you need Peggy?
Attraction.
Are you trying to attract people towards you? Do you enjoy that you're part of a museum?
This room.
Attract people to this room. But what's your
Oh jadi kayak apa menarik orang lain biar ke ruangan itu katanya.
intention? Why do you want people to come to this room? Is it true that you're
Trying to.
so that Peggy gives people bad luck or health problems? Is that your intention? Is that what you're trying to do?
Yeah.
Are you the only spirit controlling Peggy?
Oh, pokoknya kayak ngutuk atau bersial gitu lah fungsi dia orang ke sana gitu, ke ruangan ini dan melihat Peggy gitu.
It says it leads, so maybe there's something else.
No.
Who else is controlling Peggy?
Can't do it.
Whoever's leading is overpowered.
Oh, yang lain tuh nggak bisa ngelakuin gitu, cuma dia sendiri aja.
Powering this other thing controlling Peggy.
Let's hear a bunch of laughing.
It could be who Peggy was in real life and or a demonic entity in the afterlife who just took control.
Katanya apakah itu kayak manusia yang bernama Peggy atau malah seorang iblis yang entitasnya itu yang ngontrol si boneka Peggy. Iya, yang demon sih kalau kata gue, yang iblis sih.
Been waiting for.
How long do you plan to be with Peggy? Life just took control.
Been waiting for.
How long do you
Udah lama nunggunya kata.
plan to be with Peggy? Are you trapped in her forever?
Not now. Key. There's two.
Your only intention is just to do bad things to people, but why? What do you get out of doing this?
New home.
Oh, it's looking for an attachment. Have you ever been taken out of your box before?
This is it.
Oh, sebenarnya dia mau cari rumah baru gitu.
This is the only time. Looking for a new home?
Last time.
There's no fucking way of saying that. Are you trying to attach yourself to us right now?
You stupid.
I'm not talking to whatever level.
Nah, dikatakan bego anjir, ya biaran sih. Istilahnya kayak lu sih mau nantang gua. Ini yang lu lakuin ini malah ngebuat gue itu bisa bebas ngelakuin apapun. Kayak gitu sebenarnya maksudnya.
Entity is here. I'm talking to you, actually Peggy. The Peggy in real life. Is there something trying to harm us? Does something want to attach itself?
I walk away.
Okay, we can't do this anymore. This is not good.
Oh,
Ya itu udah ngancem sih. Katanya, aduh nggak bisa lagi gue udah kayak gini katanya.
Fuck. Just like when we researched, there's two entities talking to Peggy. Its whole purpose is having bad intentions and getting people to come to the museum so that it can attach itself to as many people as possible and spread this negativity.
and that's kind of exactly what Zach said. He was like, dude, like, you were literally setting yourself up, and especially by us holding hands and stuff. He said that was, like, literally the way to get an attachment. Oh my god, wait. Remember? I don't know where exactly we learned this. I think it was from the Conjuring House, but lower back pain while doing an investigation is one of the first signs of attachment. Hey, thank you for talking with us, but you cannot attach yourself to us. You cannot go home with us. You must stay here in the museum.
You have to stay.
Katanya kamu nggak boleh ngikut mereka. Kamu harus tetap di museum. Cuma yang gue tangkap kayak gini kayak, hah, kok lu yang ngatur kayak gitu. Anjir. Serem sih.
Stay here. And
Nggak serem sih, lebih kekuat sih entitasnya.
to the real life Peggy, thank you so much for communicating. Thank you for all the answers that you've given us tonight. But again, nothing evil possessing this dog can follow us home or harm us in any way.
Enggak, gue kira baru dipasangin bro coachnya. Apa yang malah tas dia anjir. Yang salibnya.
Goodbye, Peggy. Thank you.
Bye.
Now my favorite part of the trip, time to see Robert. Let's go.
Alright guys, so there's actually a second point to this video that I'm kind of trying to keep away from Colby. I just thought because if we are going to the three most haunted bells in the world, it would be the perfect opportunity to create the most powerful environment we've ever been in. Like if there's ever a time that we're going to prove paranormal, it's this. I ain't trying to get that moment where someone like causing me to levitate or throws me against the wall or something like that. I think that's this opportunity. We know that Peggy will haunt people through a photo or a video. And we know that Robert hosts people who takes photos. So my plan is to take a picture of both these next haunted dolls and bring them to Annabelle. Hopefully combine the energy of all three haunted.
Anjir, malah benar-benar antang lagi. Dia mau malah gabungin kekuatan gitu, mau digabungin antara apa Annabelle dan ada Peggy, ada yang Robert. Gila sih. Sampai mau buktinya ya selalu sih. Kalau lu mau ngambil resiko nggak masalah sih.
Dolls and see what happens. I have no idea if that's gonna do anything, but if we're gonna do this, let's go big. Sorry, Colby, you're gonna see this in the future. Alright. What's up, Peggy?
Ambil foto.
I have Polaroid photos. Always back now. I'm gonna do a really quick picture. Take it with us. Say cheese.
Robert itu kalau nggak salah yang di Conjuring House lah.
Alright, we flew out here to Key West, Florida to revisit our old friend Robert the dog, which may or may not be the worst decision we'll ever make.
I mean, remember the last time we were in this very hallway, you were dry getting everywhere?
How was it throw up? Yeah. If you take a photo of Robert the dog
Tapi ada lagi, gue kira yang pencuri.
without permission, you will be cursed until you apologize. Just to prove that, the museum has received over 10
Pokoknya Robert Doll, kalau misalnya ada orang foto bersama yang Robert Doll itu kayak dikutuk.
1,000 apology letters from those who disrespect Robert. Some of these curses include sickness, car accidents, career setbacks, and even
Pokoknya sial lah, katanya ada kecelakaan mobil, ada sakit dan lain-lain katanya.
relationship problems.
But specifically, Robert is known to give you cancer. Yeah, we may or may not have had
Sampai dikasihkan kanker katanya.
one of the worst years of bad luck in our entire lives, which is why we came back to apologize to Robert himself.
And figure out how involved he really was in all of those horrible experiences. So let's get into it.
Let's go.
Ya benar-benar sih ini kita ngeriak ini.
On a dog. 1904, he arrives in Key West from Germany, and he's going to
Dari Jerman bonekanya.
gift to a little boy. That was Robert Eugene Otto. The boy becomes obsessed with the doll. He gives him his name, Robert. Robert and Gene became best friends, spending hours a day talking to each other. The Otto family even said that they would hear two distinct voices. One was childlike, but then one that was deep and raspy.
Whenever Gene would do something bad or get in trouble, he would blame it on Robert the doll, which is a big theory of why Robert has become negative over time.
And his catchphrase becomes, I didn't do it, Robert did.
And at night, Gene's parents would hear furniture moving around, and when they came to the room, they would find their kid crying and cowering in the corner.
Oh, pokoknya apa kalau misalnya ada sesuatu entitas gitu yang anak-anak nama Robert, bukan lupa gue namanya siapa tadi. Pokoknya anak kecil itu bilang kalau misalnya ada sesuatu gerakan kayak gitu, bukan aku yang ngelakuinnya, itu Robert gitulah pokoknya.
Some stories even say that the parents witnessed their own son being pinned down to the bed by Robert. Doors would close on their own, silverware would be warped, and some even believe that when they look Robert in the eyes, his facial expression changes.
The school kids used to go by the house and they'd look up and they'd see Robert in the window moving around on his own.
In the last decade of Gene's life, he would spend most of his time alone in the attic talking to Robert the doll. Robert the doll was Gene's best friend in life and now maybe in the afterlife. He was donated to this museum in 1994 and has been locked away ever since.
Footprints have even been spotted leading away from Robert's glass case, meaning there's a possibility that Robert is walking around in this museum at 3 a.m. Our guy David has got so many attachments from working with Robert, he claims to have lived.
By the way guys, kalau misalnya kalian nonton Sarah Wijayanto ya, yang DMS dari misteri itu, nah kebanyakan kalau misalnya dia kan pernah tuh ke Amerika ya ke boneka Annabelle gitu. Rata-rata di sana itu katanya ya demon gitu atau iblis, jadi lumayan sih katanya ganggu dan ngikutin sampai ke Indonesia katanya. Approve sih. Kalau gue setuju sih.
5 feet off the ground.
He's in that case right there.
Oh, yeah.
Dude, I'm not kidding. My heart is like genuinely pounding.
That makes sense. There's a lot of horrific things that happened after we made that mistake. We were just kind of pushing every boundary.
I'm not saying that Robert was the one that gave us such bad luck in 2023, but if there is a chance that he did, we're about to come face to face with him again.
Hopefully Alexis will have time. I mean, the whole goal.
Wah, mereka tuh udah pernah kunjungin ini dan berfoto, terus ini kayak mau datang untuk minta maaf gitu.
Coming back here is to get back on his good side so it doesn't happen again.
We can't disrespect him. For everybody watching at home, if you do not want to look at Robert, this is your warning right now.
We won't show him, but just throughout this video, he warned he is known to curse people who take pictures or film him without permission. Robert, we're going to take off this covering. Before we come face to face with you once again, we just want to say that we come here with the utmost respect. We want answers, we want to apologize, but first,
Cuma yang gue lihat untuk dari lokasi sini ya nggak terlalu kuat dari itu sih yang di Peggy sih.
firstly, we'll ask your permission to film you, film our experiences, film our interaction, our conversation with you tonight. So, with your permission, we'll proceed.
Okay, ready? This is locked. 3, 2, 1.
this one feels different.
If Robert was the one who affected us in our personal lives so deeply, we cannot mess around. This is the most powerful, darkest thing we've ever encountered. I can't even think about it. It's so scary.
Well, again, in order not to get cursed, we can't film.
Pokoknya apa yang dia ini rasain itu lebih dalam gitu, lebih intens daripada kemarin yang dia pernah ketemu di lokasi sini katanya.
We take pictures of him without his permission. So I say first thing, we ask him if he
Pokoknya harus minta izin dulu kalau misalnya mau foto dan merekam itu.
wants to talk to us and who he wants to talk to tonight. Because I actually came out here to give an update on my plan. Not only am I going to take another photo of Robert with the Polaroid camera tonight, I have something new. When we left Vegas, I brought 2 voodoo dolls of ourselves. They literally have
Aduh, ini goblok sih anjir. Dia malah ini nantang sih, malah apa kayak boneka voodoo gitu terus sengaja ditempelin muka mereka masing-masing gitu, sama mereka menyantet diri sendiri kalau di Indonesia. Greget. Gue suka.
Kobe and his faces on it. We actually use this on our React channel. We like open it up and put it in a dinner box. But these are not just random regular dolls. They were made specifically to hold our spirits. I brought these for a special plan. Hopefully.
Bentar ini nggak sembarangan sih nih guys. Ini kalau misalnya yang gue rasain ini ya sama kayak yang di Indonesia gitu kayak. Bedanya ini kan digambar nih kan ada. Aduh ini di iblis banget sih ini udah kayak tulisan yang aduh, kayak penyihir gitu yang nulisnya ini.
What happens is I'm able to use both this picture and the Robert the Doll picture to haunt the dolls and bring voodoo dolls over to Annabelle to create the biggest paranormal storm ever created. I need this. I want to prove it to you guys.
Jadi mau gabungin 3 foto yang dia foto, si Robert, si Peggy sama Annabelle, terus dimasukin sama-sama dengan foto mereka berdua yang di boneka. Keren, sangat menantang. Kalau di Indonesia dibilangnya takabur itu anjir.
I want to push the bar. This is an opportunity that I cannot pass up.
Alright guys, so we got a quick setup. Sam's going to be using the music box, I'm going to be using the sound box, and we're going to let Robert choose who wants to talk to you under the Estes method tonight.
Robert, if you would like to speak with one of us tonight, you can do so by showing us. If you walk right next to me, I'll be able to know you want to talk to me.
Kalau misalnya ada yang ngedekat bunyi musik gitu.
If you want to go up to this device in front of Colby, we'll know that you want to talk to him.
Was Robert possessed by 2 spirits?
There's many a theory, but we can actually talk to the owner here later.
Katanya teorinya kalau si Robert itu ada 2 yang ngerasukin atau ngemasukin ke bonekanya gitu, 2 spirit.
About the theories of what he thinks is going on. I just thought about this. We haven't come in and
Cuma yang gue rasain kalau cuma ngeliat sekilas gini nggak terlalu kuat.
apologize to him yet, so maybe he's still angry with us.
Well, Robert, we are planning on apologizing and having a deep conversation with you. Now's your chance to show us who you want to talk to specifically. I remember last time I was here too, I did an investigation right there by myself. It's just crazy to look think back on all those memories and realize how far we've come in just like a year and a half.
How much has changed in our lives since Robert the Doll first knew you? Robert, if there's a big part of you that doesn't want to talk to us tonight, you can give us a different sign rather than coming up to one of our piece of equipment. But if you'd like to talk to us, walk on either side and make something move on either side of your case.
Were you still upset?
Belum ada jawaban gitu. Kalau misalnya bunyi di samping salah satu dari mereka, artinya dia mau berkomunikasi dengan mereka, jadi kayak minta izin gitulah.
Like you said, like what if he just doesn't even want to entertain a conversation? He's like, oh, it's these guys that came and disrespected me last night.
He could be still angry. I don't know. It might be a good idea to start with an apology rather than starting with this investigation.
I don't need to tell you this, but I wrote a letter.
You wrote like an actual letter.
Again, I'm not saying that he caused all the bad things that happened in my life.
Oh, dia itu sampai buat surat permintaan maaf gitu anjir.
23, but
Karena katanya di dalam hidupnya kalau misalnya ada siapa kayaknya gara-gara Robert lah gitulah katanya.
If he did,
Tahun 2023.
like I just wanted to be safe and cover myself.
Maybe we need to start the apology before we do a further investigation.
You guys know what happened to me in 2023. Do you believe that Robert the Doll cursed me?
Yes.
Yeah, the intention of your guys' day was to come in and see if he would do it. Have you opened yourself up?
When I was writing the book about Robert, I started having issues. My life became hell, and I came up to the museum with a psychic. She told me Robert's telling me he wants to give me cancer. Right when she said that, I felt like somebody took a knife and jammed it in my groin. It was so painful, I had to go outside. So when I saw what happened to you, it took me back then, and I'm like, absolutely, this is Robert's way of doing it. And he's doing it to you.
Oh, kata.
And said, "Now listen, I think your rise just started because you've given them a new level of power. You've given them a lot of energy because a lot of people have seen what you're doing with Robert.
Sometimes people get in car trouble, their flights get canceled, but you guys invited millions of people to see this.
Right.
And now I think these dark entities look at you as a partner in crime."
Karena kan penontonnya banyak kan katanya kan. Malah katanya mereka berdua ini malah jadi kayak partner dalam kejahatan gitu anjir. Keren sih.
All right. What did you think of that?
Not kidding. Like before we do anything else, we have to apologize.
This is really fucked.
That's messed up. When it comes to like my personal life, and to hear him saying that, yes, I without a doubt believe that that happened to you because of Robert.
And that he says the curse is not lifted, if not even getting worse.
I can't let something like that affect my mental health for the rest of my life. So I'm gonna go in there. I'm gonna apologize. I'm gonna be completely sincere and honest with him that I do not want anything but to respect him. And I'm gonna pray to God and ask help from this child spirit to follow me for the rest of my life because I'm not kidding. Like,
Pokoknya dia nyesel lah, minta maaf.
I didn't really think about the repercussions until right now. He literally just said like, yes, this doll gave you cancer. In my head, I was always thinking like, well, maybe that was the thing, maybe. But like hearing somebody so confidently say like, yes, dude, we have to take this seriously. Like, I need to go apologize. It sounded like there might be a glimpse of hope for me if I'm sincere about it and I really pour my heart into it. And that's what I did in this letter. So not kidding, before we do anything else tonight, any investigations, before I even like look him in the eyes again, I'm going to apologize right now.
Oh katanya kayaknya cuma minta maaf itu nggak cukup lah katanya. Oke.
Convinced that an apology is going to be enough, and don't tell. Do you have any recommendations on like what do you think would work?
To look at the curse for both of us and even Nate was here last night.
Well, I tell you, sincerity is the biggest part of it. I can see talking to you how freaked out you were by that.
For sure.
If there's even that little bit of I don't believe this, then so I appeal to the child spirit and ask for protection and ask for the curse to be removed. Absolutely what we flown all the way here to do. Trying to lift the curse that's lasted for us year and a half. You hear me?
Oke, dia minta maaf. Lah malah bluetooth serius.
Dear Robert, first off, I just want to say thank you for allowing me to come visit you again. I acknowledge
Kalau gue nggak bakal ngomong kayak gitu sih.
your power. I know you could have stopped us if you really wanted to. So,
Ya, karena kita manusia kita lebih sempurna dari mereka gitu ya. You know, it's demon, I know.
thank you. Thank you for giving me the chance to come back here and apologize to you. I hope we can make things right between us. Last year was by far the most difficult year of our entire lives. Everything changed for us, both for the better and for worse. When I was diagnosed with cancer in January 2023, it didn't feel real. I was at my lowest physically, mentally, and emotionally. It was a wake-up call that even with everything I was going through, to realize I had to live my life to the fullest. My cancer journey was the toughest thing I've ever been through, but for all the pain that it brought, it also brought Sam and I closer than ever. It reminded me that I have
Tapi si Robert hitungannya masih baik. Yang gue lihat lah, malah ketika dia minta maaf kayak energinya pelan-pelan dari Robert ke dianya itu kayak nurun gitu yang gue rasain.
Best friend anyone could ask for, and I'm proud to call my brother for life. So Robert, I'm not sure if you curse me or not, but I do know that everything happens for a reason. I know I'm going to enjoy the rest of my life and make the most of it. So here it is. Robert, I'm so sorry that I disrespected you. I didn't understand your power and should have never taken that lightly. I'm truly, genuinely sorry. I really hope that you can accept my apology. Your friend, Colby.
Dimaafin sih anjir.
Yeah, it feels a lot better, but I just really hope he accepts it. The fact that there's like a huge theory that he might be like a portal and there's just like constant dark energies that are attaching to him. I just hope like he knows, or whatever child spirit is with him, takes that genuinely and seriously and protects you and I for the rest of our lives. Because with this lot of stuff, like, we never mean to disrespect. Yes, we push the line. Yes, we want to show as many of you guys watching this as possible that the paranormal is real, so we do some crazy stuff. But when it comes to our personal life, and especially me getting cancer,
Pokoknya bukan demon sih kalau yang si Robert. Dia aja kayak takabur gitu.
it's no joke. Like, I've got to I don't know, I just can't. I don't want to put myself in the mind space if that could ever happen again. I feel better, but it's genuinely scary.
Maybe we just ask, if we do an investigation, maybe do an Estes method, and just be frank with them. Because does he accept our apology or not? We aren't going to leave until we get an answer, just so you can make sure you feel good about this.
Some people believe that Robert is just a reflection of negativity that was generated from being blamed so much whenever Gene would do something wrong throughout childhood. Or maybe Robert is just a vessel because adults closely resemble humans, which makes spirits want to attach to them.
But others think Robert is a portal connecting human and non-human spirits to come through to the other side. Or there might be a shadow spirit keeping this portal in check. Our guy David believes there are multiple shadow entities protecting this child spirit if Robert ever feels disrespected. People assume Robert's just one entity, but he's not. Certain psychics have come here and they said that there's a portal inside of Robert. So you have this innocent.
Jadi intinya katanya si Robert ini kayak sebuah portal tuh penghubung antara dunia nyata sama dunia gaib gitu. Dan kalau misalnya ada yang ngelakuin jahat atau kayak nggak respect gitu ke Robert, dan yang lain bakalan nyerang orang gitu. Kalau kayak gitu jelasinnya. Teorinya ya, teori mereka.
Child who is the main spirit. That's the daughter of Emily Abbott, who was the servant. But then you have these two main protectors. People describe them as these 8-foot-tall creatures. When you disrespect the child, it's almost like the child like tags you with a sticky tar. And then these guys come out and they latch on you and they stay with you. They'll affect your thoughts and they'll affect your health. The only way to get them off of you is to apologize.
So we're about to do the Estes method, but after we were grabbing our equipment, the guides gave us a shot that was specifically made for Robert. They told us to take one and then go pour one for Robert, so we just did that. So if you guys want to see that whole process of taking a shot and then apologizing again to Robert, go to exploreclub.com. Also, Exploreclub, there's just tons of behind the scenes, lots of good investigations, live streams, giveaways, podcasts. We have so much content out there, so click down below, check it out.
It seems like he's growing stronger and that the curse is extending beyond.
So do you believe that he can curse people over the screen? Does he have that sort of power? Or is it
If people go out of their way to disrespect him and try to see if it's real, then yeah, he be inclined to mess with him. So if you do disrespect him, these shadow entities will follow you forever.
Nah, ini sama kayak Peggy nih guys. Ini bakalan menunjukkan mata si Robert yang katanya bakalan mengutuk kalian. Gak sih, nyaman sih. Aman guys, aman guys. Please don't disrespect Robert if you don't wish to be cursed. Pokoknya jangan nggak respect sama Robert kalau misalnya nggak mau dikutuk. Gue nggak tahu sih. Nggak, si Robert bagus sih, baik kok. Santuy aja.
Okay, guys, it is now time for the Essex method. It's also the time where you're going to be showing Robert Dull's face. Make sure you do not disrespect him if you don't want to be cursed.
This is our warning to you right now. We're going to show him in 3, 2, 1.
Right here, figured it made most sense if Colby goes under and is in direct contact with Robert. I'm gonna get to the bottom of this. See, let's do it.
Ya anjir, si Robert suka kena bully di masa hidupnya. Makanya banyak ngelindungin gitu.
Robert, if we are talking to you and we would like to
Oh,
speak
mereka ngelakuin itu lagi. Tapi kebalikannya ya.
with us tonight, please let Colby know through these headphones, the spirit box. Robert, or anybody with Robert, are you here?
Something's trying to talk.
We really wish to contact the spirit of Robert, possibly the spirit of Gene Otto. Is he here? Is there any other? Hi, thank you for talking with us. What kind of spirit are we talking to right now? Are you human or non-human? What type of spirit are we speaking with?
Friend? It's like dude friend or something.
Thank you. Yeah, we want to talk to our friend Robert.
Someone has said in the interview about it.
The child spirit. That's exactly what Dan was talking about.
He left.
Robert, did you accept Colby's apology?
Fun.
We really want to talk to
That's how we won.
Yep. We really want Robert to fully accept his apology. We don't know if he accepted it last time. Can you give us some
We can't expect another level.
Robert, were you the one that cursed us last year? Did you cause the misfortune in 2023?
What would you like to know?
Robert, are you glad that we came back? We came back to the ball.
Pokoknya si Robert itu ngapain dengan dia yang kayak ngerutuk gitu.
Apologize. We're happy to see us.
Cuma dia kayak apa? Jawaban si Robert itu kayak, ah, terus kenapa? Kalau yang gue tangkap itu kayak, kan salah lu yang nggak respect sama gua. Lu aja kelakuan tengil kayak ya. But sekali lagi, kalau bagi gue Robert semuanya entitas yang baik.
Always.
So you accept this apology. Colby really poured his heart out and was very, very sincere. You accept this apology.
Time will tell, I think.
What type of spirit are you?
Today,
Oh katanya. Nanti waktu akan menjawab katanya, istilahnya kalau misal kamu nggak share lagi ya udah, nanti udah gue maafin gitu. Baik kok, dimaafin kok.
try. Did you mean it?
We came here with utmost respect, just to apologize.
Don't let me.
No, we did. But we spent a long time writing out this letter, really thinking about it. We've been preparing for the
God is trusting you.
Tuh kan,
What will happen if you don't accept our apology?
kenapa gue bilang putih dan itu bagus? Bayangin loh dia sampai ngomong, ya Tuhan yang tahu gitu. It's a good guy.
Any worse?
Laughter.
What will happen if I take a picture of you, Robert?
Can't tell you.
I'm taking a picture of Peggy. I would love to bring a picture of you as well to the end of the dog. What do you think of that idea?
Faith.
I just want to prove something to the world. Will you help me do that? Let's see. If you'll help show the world.
Jump in.
Do you know who Annabelle is?
Go, I'll be there.
Perfect.
Oh, diizininya katanya.
Thank you, Robert.
Makanya apa yang dilakuin ini diizininya.
Are you scared?
It's all connected.
Everything's connected, or the dolls? You mean to say Peggy, you, and Annabelle, the two most common dolls in the world, are connected? You can confirm that?
Ada kayak orang jalan.
He's powerful.
How are you guys connected? I heard from Peggy.
We're here for Hira. Oh my God.
I heard from Peggy.
We're here for Hira. Oh my God. We're next to one. Something.
We literally travel across the country.
Coming back for more, and I know.
What do you know? We are coming back from home. We came back to apologize. Do you like the power that our video has given you, the notoriety?
Searching for?
We're searching for the answer. We're trying to figure out how to prove this to the world. Can you prove that to us, Robert?
If you believe. It's about intention.
That's exactly what we're talking about, intention.
Kalau misalnya dia yang percaya katanya, ya sama kayak Indonesia sih. Kok malah sama anjir. Ini malah ketemu sama nih. Kayak lu tau nggak yang misalnya silat dipukul kepalanya pakai apapun itu tiba-tiba malah malah kesakit. Ini kurang yakin ini sama juga. Ya tergantung. Kalau misalnya kamu percaya katanya.
Like we're gonna see everything come together. I think there's a powerful thing that can happen if we bring all three energies together.
Any final word that you have to say to Colby before we leave? Will you stay with them? Will you leave him alone once and for all?
Water.
I'm surrounded by water right now.
Just don't test me. For now. Good.
It's a good thing.
Just not test them for now.
Oh my God.
Single me up and almost everything we learned during the
Seriously.
air ya yang terakhir.
Oh, as I started mentioning Peggy and Annabelle, he knows for some reason he says they're all connected, they're all next to each other. It's some sort of gateway, something is connecting all these energies, and I think together they understand each other as powerful. There is some connection.
Wah kata mereka 3 boneka itu kayak terkoneksi gitu, terhubung gitu. Ya karena sama-sama genre.
With these types of spirits, but I mean, it is just a gateway of heaven, or like Dave said, these dolls, these haunted objects might be portals. I think we need to be very, very careful moving forward, especially going to most haunted of them all next.
I was gonna say, like, we've seen Peggy multiple times, we've seen Robert twice now, but Annabelle's something we've never dealt with before.
It's supposedly the most haunted, and we might literally be walking into the greatest paranormal event we've ever been a part of.
Saya mengambil foto sesuai janji. Oke, ke boneka Annabelle.
And finally, we are here at the War Museum to come face to face with the real Annabelle doll, the most famous haunted doll in the world.
Our goal tonight is to figure out how these dolls are connected and what this demonic energy wants to tell the world.
Yes, guys, we're at the New England Paranormalology Research Center. I've never heard of that word before. As we were flying over here from Robert the Doll, we experienced the worst turbulence ever. Absolutely terrifying. I don't know if that's known or something, but I guess we'll find out.
Yeah, you definitely were looking at me like, oh God, we might actually die today.
No, we were shaking up there.
Oke, boneka Annabelle.
In 1970, a nursing student received a 3-foot-tall Raggedy Ann doll as a gift from her mother, and almost immediately,
Gede ya yang asli ya.
strange events began to happen around the apartment. It started
Boneka Annabelle ini yang ikutin Kak Sarah Wijayanto, istrinya Demian, istilahnya iblis gitu. Terakhir podcast dia sama Pras Teguh ada ngejelasin tentang itu.
with the doll moving from room to room on its own, and then little handwritten notes would appear with the words "Help us." But then the nurse's boyfriend would have nightmares of the doll climbing onto his bed and strangling him, and then soon after there was blood found on the back of the doll's hands. They called the psychic medium, who told them that the spirit of a 7-year-old girl named Annabelle was haunting them, trying to get their attention. The spirit of the little girl wanted to enter the Raggedy Ann doll, and the nursing students allowed it.
Dengan Annabelle itu katanya digisahkan atau sejarahnya itu dia sedang pindah-pindah kemana-mana gitu. Terus ada ngasih tulisan sesuatu kayak tolong kami. Terus katanya pernah nyekik yang punya juga katanya, dan katanya dibuktikan ada di tangan boneka Annabelle itu ada darah gitu.
They even treated the doll like their very own child, which made everything much worse.
Later on, the nurse's boyfriend started hearing noises from the other room, so he went to go check out the doll. But when he noticed that no one else was in the room besides Annabelle, he picked up the doll and started shaking it, saying, "You're nothing but a toy." Then immediately he felt pain and doubled over screaming. There were 7 bloody claws slashed across his chest. 3
kayak ada dicakar gitu pas dia megang Annabelle gitu.
vertical and 4 horizontal. And that is when they knew they needed help. So the priest arrived at their apartment with Ed and Lorraine Warren, the two most famous demonologists you might have heard of from our Conjuring series. Ed said there was never a child spirit named Annabelle, and this was actually a demon. One that needed an exorcism ASAP, or the students might be killed. The priest left the home, and Ed and Lorraine
Sampai mau dibunuh gitu siswanya.
Lauren left with the possessed doll, fearing the evil would never leave Annabelle, even to this day.
What's crazy at this location is we were actually having a priest bless us before we even walk inside.
Mocking or antagonizing Annabelle is a potential death sentence. In fact, the owners are so terrified of the doll's power that anytime anybody comes to investigate the museum, they get blessed by a priest.
My name is Father Bailey. I assist Town.
Pokoknya setiap kali ada yang mau ke situ selalu ada kayak pendeta gitu.
Groups, especially in the area of spiritual warfare.
Great!
I'm going to be blessing with special oil that I bless in honor of St. Joseph. We call him St. Joseph, the terror of demons. So if you get protection and you'll really appreciate that, it'll be blessed in the Son and the Holy Spirit. And God send you there with any presence, protect them from the multi-class, and bless you, Father, Son, and Holy Spirit. We hope you
Wah, dilindungi gitulah di Indonesia sering sih kayak gini.
So the team here at the War Museum has allowed us to both go in first to go see Annabelle, just by ourselves. We're going to bring a couple pieces of equipment, the obelisk and the rim pod, and go see if she's around before the museum itself gets blessed. We're going to find out what happens.
And I'll give you this, and I'll be waiting to hear you scream. I'm waiting to hear you come back.
That's what
Alright, I'm going. There we go. Oh my god, I have seen so many pictures and videos of this place. I never thought I would actually be in here myself. Okay guys, I have the obelisk. I'm not gonna lie, I'm terrified right now. I'm starting to shake. I don't know if you can hear it in my voice, but this place is not good. You can tell. Turning on the obelisk right now. That's just a celebration. This is a disease. Famous disease. Providence. Alright, so Annabelle's right in front of me. I'm gonna walk up now. Head. It's a tried head. Let me put this down here just for a second. She's a lot bigger than I expected. I think they said when she's standing up, she's 3 feet tall. Viewer discretion. If you do not want to look at Annabelle, I'm about to flip the camera to show you what she looks like for the first time. I cannot believe that thing already said head. You guys ready? Look, this is finished. Look away now if you don't want to see through.
Oke, ini jadi peringatan lagi kalau misalnya takut disial atau bagaimanapun ketika melihat Annabelle, silakan jangan lihat, tapi jangan khawatir guys, ajar aja.
3, 2, 1. Malicious right when I turn the camera. Here we go.
Gede banget sih.
Surreal being with her for the first time. The real Annabelle doll.
Bagi gua nggak terlalu kuat ya kalau yang si Annabelle ya. Ya pastinya di atas yang si Robert sih.
Right here, everybody knows Annabelle, especially from the movie. I don't know if you guys remember this, but in the Conjuring house, they have the same exact box. There's this warning, positively do not open. And they have this devil tarot card as well. Cross above it. Angry. Guys, I'm not even holding the obelisk and said malicious and angry already. Look at all the artifacts around here. Ed and Lorraine were famous demonologists, not ghost hunters, so there's a couple demonologist books. You could pull through, guys, right after I said that, no?
Gue nggak tahu kenapa gitu kalau misalnya si Peggy itu bisa ngomong. Lemah itu ya. Kekuatan malah Peggy.
Way. All the scary artifacts. Look at this, guys. I don't even know what that thing is up there on the right. There's a root to his Bible right here. Thank God they have that. I'm gonna put the obelisk right here in front of her. Ask a couple questions. Annabelle, I come here with all the respect in the world.
As Sore.
I promise to not disrespect you. I'm only here. Call lasting. This thing's going crazy, and I'm not even touching it. I'm only here to hear any sort of message that you want to give people.
Seller, master
This is absolutely insane how much this is going off. I do not understand. It's been a long time since
Kualannya aktif terus dan terus bertingkat-tingkat gitu.
this is crazy. Annabelle, we're only going to be here for tonight.
Kok malah bagi gue lemah ya si Annabelle.
So if you would like to communicate with us, please let me know. If this is you, says no faster. I'm not sure because there's so many other haunted objects in here. If this is you talking to me, which we're going to figure out very soon, but again, I just have much respect. I'm just here to show you to as many people as possible and hear whatever you have to say. There was like a big crack on the roof as soon as I
Kelihatan kayak ada kayak mau hancur gitu.
I've been in here for about 10 minutes now. I'm going to put down a REM pod for Sam and then let him go and experience this for himself. I don't know if you noticed this, but as soon as I stopped talking to Annabelle, Bob was stopped saying words completely. Turning on the REM pod. I'm also going to take this back and give it to Sam as I go. Thank you, Annabelle. Immediately went off. I'm out of here. I'm leaving. It's your turn, and the REM pod just went off. It said Ed, malicious, it said angry. All I was in there. It said Ed. That's why I wasn't in there.
Tapi itu serius, sebenarnya di dalam itu kalau misalnya yang gak ada yang bagus ya di situ, kayak ya demon, rata-rata demon sih.
It's terrifying in there. You'll feel it.
I'm making me more excited.
No, as soon as you walk in, you feel a difference. So here's that. It's ready for you.
I don't like going second, but this sucks. Today,
Gede banget. Kalau misalnya dia itu kan kecil gitu kan, yang di film-film dan enggak beda lah bukan.
Annabelle is known to mess with electronics, possess people, and heighten a negative emotion. Allegedly, there was even a case where a man disrespected Annabelle and on his way home crashed his motorcycle and died.
Good luck. Guys, I'm malicious and angry.
Yeah, don't need a reminder. Oh my god. Ooh, musty. Hello. Oh my god. All the conjuring stuff and the ring worn. Release and shaken. Over there is Annabelle. We were told by a couple of our buddies who have seen Unholy! Oh my god! Unholy Cube. Multiple of our friends said that as soon as they looked at her, they got a pain in their chest. I'm gonna get my first impression on camera. I see my crew. Oh god, this is scary. Annabelle, I'm looking now. Oh my god, that's way bigger than I expected. Years.
Itu sih pas itu kalau misalnya gue di situ mungkin bilang gede banget.
Years of hearing about Annabelle. Holy fuck, and there's a doll right there too. Hello, Annabelle. Raggedy Annabelle puts a hex on 3. Annabelle, if you have anything to say, you can tell me through this device, or you can come up to this little red light and you can show that you're here. You come here with the utmost respect. We just want some answers. We want to show the world, so if you want to tell your purpose or message, everybody here that's watching can tonight. And thank you for allowing us in your museum. It's really crazy. Colby just said that this is going off a ton, and as soon as I turn around, it says unholy, but then nothing else. Annabelle.
Yang pasti yang gue lihat ini kayak aman terus anjir hidupnya. Ini aja nggak sensitif.
If you want to say anything, I have this piece of equipment, the obelisk right here. You can. If not, it's okay. Oh my god! Oh my god! This is like,
Nah ini yang di film guys.
I think the Annabelle from the actual movie. They definitely have like a different Annabelle from the movie. And the house is going off? What the fuck? It's almost like it didn't want me to look over there. It was like, you're looking at the wrong Annabelle. We know. It's you. We want to talk to you. I just want to know, do you...
Bentar guys. Yang gue tangkap karena yang terkenal kan di otak orang lain itu di film Annabelle yang boneka yang satunya yang tadi itu kan, yang seram itu kan. Yang gue lihat entitas yang lebih kuat malah di yang tadi itu, bukan yang boneka aslinya. Gue nggak tahu kenapa. Tapi yang gue rasain kayak gitu.
You want to talk to us
Mungkin karena udah tarik perhatian orang sampai terkenal gitu kan filmnya.
tonight? We've heard you're the most famously haunted doll in the world. We want to give you the stage if you want to prove that to us tonight. If you want to tell us any message. I'm getting a feeling that Annabelle doesn't like me, which is really strange because I wasn't even going to bring this up. I've just been feeling off today. I don't know. It just feels not very
Lebih gak tertarik sih yang gue lihat.
comfortable here. I guess that is a given. It's very weird. In comparison, if you said that was one of the most active things you've ever had for your office, it said like 3 words. The one word before it stops saying everything, unholy. The only word. And then it stops.
This is malicious right when I point the camera at her, too.
My name is Dan Rivera. I'm the senior lead investigator for NESBR, bonded by Ed and Lorraine Warren. What's in here? There are attachments to these items. Not good. We believe that there are no human spirits that could attach to any of these objects.
So you're saying every single spirit that would be in this museum would have to be a non-human energy? Do you believe that all these items, but more specifically Annabelle, is still dangerous to this day?
To this day?
Yeah.
Annabelle just told you, Annabelle, that over there. Just be respectful when you're in here and you're communicating with these items. Respect it, because they're not going to respect you. For instance, the shadow doll was created to place curses on your enemies. So a witch doctor created this doll, and what he would do is he would take a picture of this doll, put it in an envelope, seal it, and send it to the person he wants to curse.
Oh my god.
Boneka kutukan gitu, yang boneka diomongnya.
What happened is he wrote a curse on the back of that photo. That person did not have to read that curse. As soon as they opened up that envelope, they took on that curse. And it's known that this doll will stop your heart and
Boneka ini.
right in your dreams.
Oh my god.
It's only done by a witch doctor who knows the ritual of that curse. And they got that can perform that.
Ternyata perjanjian dengan iblis kalau misalnya di luar negeri anjir.
Well, we're both at the same time.
Like I was telling you guys before, once you start talking about these items,
We're on top of the shadow and one of them by Annabelle right now.
right.
Both going off right now.
So as you start talking,
Nggak terlalu kuat kayak Annabelle sini. Cuma ya udah gitu aja.
while you're giving them that attention, I believe that they play off each other.
Do you think they compete?
Look, I think that's what they're doing. They're competing for that attention. This is not a joke. When I say these artifacts are in here for a reason, they're in here for a reason. Our job is to educate the public that evil does exist.
Like you told me, langsung
Langsung dibersihin guys.
I command in the name of Jesus Christ, and I bind any spirits that are contained in these artifacts to stay where they are and to do no harm to these 2 young men. I forbid any interplay. I forbid any harm to be done to them, and I bind them in the name of the Father, the Son, and of the Holy Ghost. Amen.
Kali water guys. Menurut gue itu cuma sementara aja. Habisnya balik lagi energi. Bener, pasti yang itu aja terus yang kena tuh. Colby.
Well, thank you for doing that.
You're very welcome.
Oh, coba pegang lagi guys.
Alright guys, before we do the Estes method with Annabelle's cage open, we did a secret investigation on Explore Club, so click down below, you're not going to want to miss it. It was absolutely insane. SamColeman.com, go check it out. To this day, the owners are the only ones who are allowed to touch Annabelle, and they're only able to hold her with welding gloves doused in holy water.
Oh, kalau yang Annabelle lebih itu harus pakai sarung tangan sama air suci katanya.
Wow!
Speaking of,
These are gloves that I use when I handle topics in this museum. Within these gloves, in each finger, it's a holy rub. These were blessed at St. Patrick's Cathedral. We had these made for my protection because I didn't have good experience with Annabelle. When I moved Annabelle originally, I passed through a car accident because of this doll. Not just one, it was just quite a few. And every time I moved this doll, it was always an accident.
do you ever hear tapping on the glass? Because when we were here,
Gue nggak tahu kenapa ya. Tadi itu lemas, wah ini kepala gue agak di sini tuh kayak trek gitu kayak ngenyet anjir. Ntar.
But some like detectors tap in, knocking in here, and we least expect it. Almost on cue. We hear growls coming from on the second block there. You know, there was one time I heard growls in front of the house. I don't know if that was coming from the museum. I made this case with 3 crosses on there that represents the Trinity, the Father, Son, and the Holy Spirit. Now, within the case itself, behind Hannibal, spread into the walls, is the Lord's Prayer.
By the way guys, pada saat gue ngatain Annabelle itu nggak terlalu kuat, gue ngerasa kayak ada entitas yang datang kayak apa kata lu nantang gue gitu, dan makanya gue ini tinggal yang pegal kata gue itu udah hilang, cuma di sini kayak ada panas gitu di sini gue di leher gue samping kiri.
Uses in the stain is holy water and holy oil. All that helps contain whatever is attached to Annabelle. But if I do open this case, it will only be open for like 5 to 10 minutes. It wants that identity. You know, any of these objects in here, they want that identity. They want that power. They'll play on your emotions. Sometimes they'll get you to go against each other. They want to energize the environment.
You use this as a traveling case. Do you like to take literally like take it out when we travel?
No, it stays in this box.
Whoa.
I mean, I start talking about protection or even mention the name of Jesus Christ. The devices just go off.
Wow. Here we go.
Gede banget sih guys.
It's time.
You got this. You got this.
Mix it up. We didn't want to waste any time. We have to be able to do this.
And come with the utmost respect. But if you want to tell us anything tonight, you can do so now.
At any point you feel frightened or anything like that, you know, don't hesitate to leave the museum for a little bit.
I don't like that my back is facing towards her. As soon as I put these on, we're ready to start. Here we go. In the end,
Annabelle, our ring spirits here, you can speak through Colby, tell us a message, or to talk with us. If there's anybody here that wants to speak with us, can you come and say hi? Can you give us a name, to give us any obvious sign that you'd like to speak with us tonight? Is there anybody here in the museum with us?
200,000.
200,000? Are you trying to scare us?
200.000.
I don't.
Can you be more specific? Who is here with us right now? We would love to speak with Annabelle. If you're here, can you give us a sign?
Pantas mereka si Annabelle itu kuat tuh kalau keroyokan, baru sadar gue. Makanya dia sebenarnya lebih lemah daripada Peggy. Tapi dia kuatnya kalau keroyokan, ramean dia.
Believe.
We full-heartedly believe he came here to talk to you.
You have a plan? Like a question mark? Don't play around.
We're not going to. Our plan is just asking you to tell the world whatever your message is. We want to learn more about who you are. You like us?
Discussable. Yeah.
Yeah.
Your warmth.
Thank you. We'd love to speak with you. Earlier, you were talking more directly. Only? You're talking only, I guess, to Colby. Is there a reason for that?
Separation. Headlock. See?
We were talking to Dan about things that you do. We were talking about separation. Is that your plan?
Why do you want to separate them?
No companion. Blood.
No companion.
Use.
You don't want us to have a companion. Like you want us to be alone. Is that correct?
Able to determine.
If we are alone, what are you able to do?
Come together. Please.
You do want us together.
What were you speaking to? Jesus Christ.
Girl.
What's your name?
Do you mean Annabelle?
And just sort of laughter. Oh
Bentar.
my.
They're finishing sentences. What do you do to those that you get alone? What's your plan?
Master. Kill.
God, has Annabelle
Waduh.
ever actually hurt or killed anybody? Car accidents?
The man on the motorcycle, the guy that came in here.
Yeah.
Oh, and he
Jadi ada nih yang pakai kecelakaan pakai motor gitu.
was knocking on the glass. And
Enggak, ini yang gue tangkap yang mereka omong ini bukan Annabelle nih, ini entitas yang lain yang memimpin 200.000 itu. Beda.
Annabelle, when we left here with his girlfriend, she was on the back of a motorcycle. They got into an accident.
Sorry about it.
Maaf soal itu katanya. Dia kayak ngaku gitu guys.
Do you think you're invincible?
Bam.
How do we know that you're actually that powerful? How do we know you can actually kill someone? Are you connected to any of the other dolls here? The shadow doll that's been going off all night.
Together, the music.
We were here last night.
No one wants
They
that.
started the shadow and Annabelle together.
We visited.
Wait.
What?
Cold.
Is there a gateway between
Two.
the two of you?
Yang gue lihat sosok yang ini guys ya, kepemimpinan leadership dia itu atau karismanya itu tinggi banget, makanya dia itu bisa diikuti ramai gitu. Dia nggak kuat, tapi ya karena ramai jadi kuat gitu.
Sounds like only.
We visited other dolls in the past before. They also said something about gateways. Do you know those other dolls? Are you connected in any other way to other Hobbit dolls?
Everybody. Against you.
What?
Semuanya kayak ngelawan lu gitu.
From under.
Everybody
Yes.
against you.
You do it. Talk to the people.
Are there multiple people talking with us right now?
Only one.
Oh my.
Posting.
How do we know that you're actually the demon Annabelle?
No heavens.
Okay, well,
No heaven. Gak ada surga.
have you ever heard anything like that? What? Bro, I think you need to like step away for 2 seconds. It was saying like some really, really insane things, and even like if it got you alone, it could like kill you.
Me?
Or kill someone, whoever got it alone. It threatens. And then it said like all these dolls are like connected.
Which that made sense.
It made insane sense.
I was talking about that, how we're in a confined area here, where this energy is just amplified in here.
The reason why I pulled you out of this literally was like, how do we know you're actually demonic energy? I'm trying to say like, okay, maybe it's like human energy or whatever, but no, it said no heaven. Literally what a goddamn demon would say. Genuinely.
Gak heran sih Kak Sarah Wijayanto sampai kayak apa ya, keganggu gitu, ke distract gitu, karena ini nama sebenarnya bukan Annabelle sebenarnya, ini bukan, nah kayak ada yang beda gitu guys.
What we heard in Queen Mary, like when we first started investigating.
Yeah.
Was that what we
I don't know, but I think we should take like a 2-minute break or something. I'm still like shaking.
Me too.
You know, you can hear it or see it from other people, but being here and experiencing it yourself becomes real too.
I don't know about you, but like, especially for some rocker, I don't want to do this. I'd rather just get the priest to come bless us one more time, do maybe like a deeper blessing, and then get out of here. Like, what else more do we figure out?
I think we deeply know, actually know, that this is demonic. There's never been like as confirmed as right now we're talking to a demon and it's answering.
Can we just go?
Kekuatannya parah banget sih guys, serius. Ketika lu tau gak sih kayak slime gitu, slime ketika dia nyatu tiba-tiba dia jadi kuat, dia jadi gede, dan itu dia kuat karena menyerap energi yang lain gitu. Tapi kalau misalnya dia sendiri, dia lemah, kayak gitu guys yang gue tangkap.
But like, I mean, this is the opportunity.
What else do you want to do?
I have one more idea. I'll show you just.
Dia itu kayak magnet gitu guys.
Here, let me go in there for 2 seconds and then I'll show you. I think this is like big.
Okay.
Nah, ngambil foto lagi guys.
Very curious to hear what Kirby thinks of this plan. I don't think anyone's ever done anything like this before.
We go in there.
I'm gonna show you this. Okay, so I'm gonna pull forward, right? So I took a Polaroid of Annabelle, which is 6. We can use that for our next investigation. It's going to take a few minutes, so I was thinking for the final investigation, we do something like a trigger event never done before. So we went to Peggy's. Ask for permission. So, what was that? I don't know, it's a massive crash or some shit. Do you not hear that? Okay, I don't know.
Iya kayak ada suara gitu.
What? Something just hit my back.
Oh, what's happening?
I don't know. I've never felt anything like that.
As you're talking, Rob and Peggy.
That actually is really scary. Dude, look at these. So I took a picture of both of them.
You took a picture of Robert?
I took a picture of both of the dolls, and now we have a collection that I don't know if anybody else has. 3 in-person Polaroids of the 3 most haunted dolls. But what's really cool, and I figured would be awesome offering to make this even crazier, is you know those dolls that we had on the channel that got made specifically for us? Voodoo dolls of us.
The ones with our faces.
The ones with our faces on. I'm like shaking talking about this because it's so cool. It hasn't developed yet, but I placed these voodoo
Ya
dolls
ini spesial sih anjir.
next to Annabelle for the final photo. This could be like the single most paranormal event in history. I know they said not to do anything too like crazy or whatever.
I don't think that's too crazy.
I mean, it's...
You took a picture of Robert. That was like the number one thing they set out to do.
But like, we apologized. We apologized.
I apologize, but like, when did you do it? Did you do it after the apology?
But just sit down right now.
But they said you had to be sincere and wait, remember?
Wait, an apology?
Yes, meant he was just like, you need to have good intentions from now on and throughout.
I think the intention is to bring Robert's energy to Annabelle and see how they'll mesh like the
I
3
don't think this is like going too far, because like, let's just let the car talk.
Ketakutan guys si Colby.
Do you not realize how dangerous this is?
Itu berbahaya banget sih karena takaburnya dari itu guys.
Because again, you took a picture of Robert.
Yeah, I want you to know I didn't involve you, and I made sure that like you said your apologies and sorry and stuff before I did it. I just think genuinely this is like one of the coolest things. This is a once in a life opportunity.
I get
Kesempatan sekali seumur hidup anjir.
that. Like it's cool for the video and stuff, but I just don't understand why you're not telling me about when you go off and do
Nggak dikasih tahu gitu.
these things.
I mean, truthfully, mainly just because of the Robert thing, I figured you'd say like no, but I feel like we did it safe and you did your apology, and I made sure to like not involve you in that. But think about it. Especially for the video, this is insane.
Yeah.
This is like massive.
I mean, I get that.
This could be the biggest paranormal event in history.
I get that. And yes, I would have said no, but like the point is that you're still just doing this behind my back. Like you did this at the Conjuring house. We had a conversation literally a year ago about this, and you've done it countless of other times. It feels like it's not even like us doing this anymore on this channel. It's like you're just going behind my back, not telling me anything, and just trying to figure this out for yourself.
Well, I'm trying to do this because that's the point of the channel. It's the reason why we started. You know? Queen Mary? I still think about that all the time.
I understand that. I get that. But like, when it involves putting your best friend in danger, like taking
Ya sih. Apa kayak gue ini baru mau aman nih, terus tiba-tiba lu tempatin gue ke lubang buaya yang penuh buaya gitu.
picture of Robert? Like, why don't you just tell me these things? Like, we can figure this out together. I don't understand.
Baru realize anjir.
I'm talking about this today, not to get like super personal on you guys, but you know, more than I like this. Especially after what happened like last year.
I understand.
I know. Like, that one's the point of the channel. Second, this is an opportunity that I feel like could prove it to me. Like I feel like I need this, but I also think like the world needs this.
Like you said, the world doesn't need this. Like, you are the one that thinks you need this. But it doesn't mean that you have to drag me into it and Like I don't want
Iya sih, betul sih. Kalau misalnya mau, ya lu aja masuk hati. Ya boneka Fudonya, muka lu aja, nggak usah yang satunya. Yang ini kan kasihan, dia udah trauma anjir. Iya sih.
be put in danger for that. Like it's a selfish thing to do.
Ya itu sih.
Isn't this what we want? Like to prove things like this to the world?
I think it's what you want. I think you just want to prove it to yourself. It doesn't even feel like we always talk
Iya sih, kayak validasi sih, betul sih kata si Colby.
about Sam and Kobe versus the world, but right now it seems like it's Sam versus himself. It's like a deeper personal issue, and I just don't understand like why you don't drag me in and just like let me help.
You know why. You know why. On different sides of this coin, man. You believe. You always believed. For some reason, no matter what we get, I can't fucking accept it. I can't.
Oke.
We talked for a little while, and I got a little personal, and I'm not trying to put my personal life on YouTube. Sometimes it makes in that personal struggle, which I've been going through for a little while now. I took it too far, and I apologize to Colby.
Oh, udah minta maaf dia, nyesel dia bro. Ya sih, itu egois banget sih guys sebenarnya.
But I just want to also.
Itu kayak, lu tau nggak sih kayak ini nggak nyambung sih, cuma misalnya petak umpet terus petak umpet nih, gue ketahuanan, padahal yang lain tuh nggak ketahuan tuh. Terus gue bilang, bro, kita ketahuanan bro, padahal dia sendiri ketahuan nih. Dia sendiri aja gitu.
I apologize to you. I now realize that I need to deal with these problems myself and not bring you into it.
It's fine.
And I want to also apologize to you guys watching. I don't want to set a bad example. I don't want to be that guy that pushes the bar to where it puts other people that I love in danger. I'm so sorry. It is something I'm working on and something that I feel like a lot of people go through, but that's no excuse. You should be disrespectful to anything in this world, and definitely should not try to put anybody in danger because of it. So I'm sorry. We talked about this, and because that already happened, and I took the picture and everything.
Karena masalahnya yang gue lihat dari 3 entitas itu yang benar-benar yang bakalan sial itu si Colby ini guys. Kalau yang ini yang bakalan ngerasain kayak, ya gue kan nggak masalah, gue kan nggak ada apa-apa, ya lu nggak apa-apa, temen lu gimana. Malahan kalau misalnya lu ngelihat ke yang ini, lu bakalan sedihnya minta ampun kalau misalnya lu lihat teman lu atau sahabat lu ini kesakitan atau misalnya kena cancer atau apapun itu, kayak gitu sih.
Has been, and I think in order to make sure we are safe, we are going to ask the priest to bless us, and we are going to end our investigation here. It is just not worth it. Maybe another time we'll come see Annabelle, but it is just not worth pushing any further.
It's a separation.
Sam and Colby versus the world. Oke guys, kayaknya udah selesai dan ini udah diberkati juga si Colby-nya. Nah gue yang ini yang ada dangerous, ini nggak terlalu dangerous nih. Ini kayak perlindungannya sebenarnya bagus sih melindungi dia. Yang terlalu bagus sih. Oke, guys, udah selesai. Oke guys, udah selesai kita recordnya, kita reaction dan mengkonfirmasi ini itu, dan yang gue tangkap guys yang pastinya dari 3 entitas itu yang paling kuat itu adalah yang si Peggy guys, yang paling kuatnya. Terus yang kedua itu si Annabelle, cuma entitasnya kayaknya sebenarnya bukan Annabelle. Yang ketiga itu adalah si Robert, yang baik, yang benar-benar baik tuh yang ketiga ini, si Robert nih. Ini yang putih kalau kata gue itu. Bayangin dia adanya kayak Tuhan atau gimana. Dan nah ini fun fact nih guys, ini nggak tahu lah fake or not. Cuma yang gue tangkap si Annabelle ini kuat kalau misalnya dia bersama istilahnya pasukannya gitu. Katanya kan tadi kan 200.000 kan. Sebenarnya dia itu lemah, entitas yang lemah si Annabelle itu. Tapi karena gak tahu kenapa yang kecil-kecil itu mau atau suka ngikutin dia. Jadi kayak kalau misalnya lu tahu magnet ya, sebuah magnet, terus magnet itu jadi pecahan gitu, tapi ada satu kutub magnet, terus dia berkumpul gitu langsung tahu nggak sih? Yang permanen, bukan permanen sih, yang kayak gitu, yang hitam-hitam gitu. Nah kurang lebih kalau si Annabelle itu atau apapun yang sebutannya itu kayak gitu. Itu yang buat dia kuat, yang istilahnya kalau lu pernah nonton Sarah Wijayanto yang katanya ketika dia datang ke sana ke Amerika terus ngikut terus gitu yang si iblis atau apapun itu, dan ya gue bisa konfirmasi it's true, it's wow. Dan malah katanya kan kalau kayak ngebisikin atau gimana kan, kayak mau ngecelakain atau gimana. Kalau yang gue tangkap malah tadi itu yang kata gue agak pusing gitu, terus pegal. Sekarang ini yang gue rasain di sebelah kiri gue ini agak panas nih. Gue nggak tahu kenapa nih sebelah kiri ini gue ini. Yang gue tangkap, yang gue bisa ambil energinya gitu ya. Yang si Annabelle itu kayak ngebisikin kayak, lu tau lah ya kan kalau udah iblis atau gimana kan, kayak ngejanjiin kayak ada nggak orang yang mau lu tutup atau lu apain gitu. Kalau misalnya lu benci sama mereka, gue bisa bantu, serah lu mau permintaan apapun gue kabulin lah. Kalau lu mau bukti kalau gue itu kuat kayak gitu ya, it's demonic things. Itu kayak dia iblis banget sih, kayak ngetes kita gitu. Dan dia pasti jahat banget sih. Itu bukan masalah dia kuat atau enggak, tapi kayak kita bisa dijerumusinya ke hal-hal yang negatif gitu, yang harusnya kita secara manusiawi atau secara norma kita nggak boleh ngelakuin kayak gitu. Lebih kayak gitu sih guys. Oke, guys, thanks for watching untuk episode terakhirnya di Sam and Colby di boneka Annabelle, dan seru banget. Dan ya, gue Auzan dari Omyoji Team, and stay calm.